Hello, little champs. Welcome to our super fun computer class. I'm your teacher, and today we will start learning something very exciting. Are you ready?
Yay!
Great, let's begin. Can you tell me what is computer? Come on, kids, let's find out together. Look at this machine. This is called a computer. Can you say computer? A computer is a smart machine. It helps us do many things like learning, playing games, drawing pictures, and even watching videos. Great kids. Now repeat after me. A computer is a smart machine. Now can you tell me where do you see computers? We see computer everywhere, at home, at school, in shops, in hospital, and even at the ATM. When someone take money from an ATM, yes, a computer helps do that. So repeat after me. Computer are everywhere. Now kids, let's think why is a computer smart? A computer are smart because they do work very fast and they never get tired. If we do work all day, we get tired, right? But computer don't. They keep working happily. So repeat after me. Computer is fast and never get tired. Now kids, let's play a quick game. I will show you picture. When you see computer, say computer loudly.
Computer.
Yay, you did it. Now it's a quiz time. Can you tell me what is a computer? A computer is a smart machine, right? Is computer fast or slow? Fast, right? Great answer. You are super smart. Amazing, you finished computer class. Clap for yourself. You are now a computer superstar. Now in next video we'll see part of computers. Bye bye kids. See you in next class.